All right, so I got this old Pontiac Montana. It's so old and shitty that I sometimes don't want to spend money fixing things that don't need to be absolutely fixed. I'm starting to get some high-speed vibration with this car on the highway, and I'm going to try balance beads in the tires before I replace the struts or shocks in the front of this car, whatever the hell you want to call it. We're gonna go from this to... All right, so I got the balance beads in the car now, and it's better. The problem didn't go away. There's still some wheels shaking on the road at high speeds, but it moved the speed band at which it occurred from 70 to 80 miles an hour to about 80 miles an hour to 90 miles an hour. So the balance beads helped a little bit, but they didn't totally eliminate the need to probably replace the front struts in this car. Alright, it's been about 2 weeks since I put the balance beads in the car, and I think the tires had some time to like true themselves up and become more round, and the car is pretty stable at this speed. It doesn't really shake hardly at all. So these things work. This is probably way better than spending the money and changing the front shocks and struts. So this wasn't a waste of money, it wasn't a waste of time. I'm assuming that the front shocks and struts will continue to degrade and I'll eventually have to replace them, but hell man, if I can buy myself another few months or a few years with this car with the balance beads, that's the way to economically go. Thank you for watching.